Hi friends, welcome on Yourpedia, the platform where you are getting the mentoring for your prestigious exam of Airport Authority of India ATC, Junior Executive Engineer, Junior Executive Officer. Now this particular, my video is related to the very important question all of you are asking. That is whether final year graduates of BTech और BSc are eligible for this job or not. जो ATC का एग्ज़ाम निकला है ये आपका जूनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव का जो पोजीशन है इसमें क्या आप एलिजिबल हैं फाइनल ईयर वाले या नहीं हैं. एंड द आंसर इज यस, बट विद द राइडर दैट एट द टाइम ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन, फाइनली जब डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन होगा यू शुड हैव डिग्री विद यू. So you are eligible. Number one, fill the form. If you are graduating in 2025, you are in final semester or something, final year, fill the form. And at the time of document verification, voice test, after voice test there is a document verification. So ATC में क्या होता है, पहले written exam होगा. कब written exam होगा वो भी मैं आपको बताता हूँ, कब voice test होगा, and then उसके बाद document verification होगा. Now last date to fill the application form is 24th of May. Maximum after 1 month there will be exam. Normally that is the timeline जो मैंने पिछले वीडियो में आपसे डिस्कस किया था. 1 मंथ के अंदर आपका एग्जाम होता है, तो मान के चलो जून एंड में देयर विल बी एग्जाम, देन देयर इज अ वॉइस टेस्ट एंड डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन. अर्लीस्ट पॉसिबल जुलाई और अगस्त में आपका डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन हो सकता है, अर्लीस्ट पॉसिबल. So those of you who are going to get their degrees, and that may be provisional certificate or something, at the time of document verification they are eligible. Let's go to page number 3. Now you all have this notification. Let's go to page number 3 where it is mentioned very clearly. Now this you please read important instruction, and instruction number 2, candidate in final semester or final year on the cutoff date are allowed to apply. Now कंडीशन इज दे मस्ट पोजेस देयर फाइनल रिजल्ट. फाइनल रिजल्ट मीन्स आपका रिजल्ट आ गया है, आपका प्रोविजनल सर्टिफिकेट भी चल जाएगा एट द टाइम ऑफ एप्लीकेशन वेरिफिकेशन. वेरिफिकेशन जब होगा, फेलिंग विच कैंडिडेट विल नॉट बी कंसिडर्ड, राइट. सो डेट ऑफ डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ रिजल्ट, इशुएंस ऑफ मार्कशीट शैल बी डेट ऑफ एक्वायरिंग क्वालिफिकेशन, और उसमें कोई रिलैक्सेशन नहीं होगा. तो ये इंस्ट्रक्शन नंबर 2 पढ़ो एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल गेट एंड एज एंड एवरीथिंग इज from 24th May 2025. 24 May 2025 that is the application date for cut off date जिसको बोल रहे हैं. cut off date are allowed candidate who are in final semester, final year. So answer your question, can final year students apply? Answer is yes. Who are in final semester, final year on the cut off date. Cut off date is this. So if you are on 24th May 2025, if you are in the final semester, it may be possible right now you are in final, not in final semester, but 24th May ko you will be in final semester, but most of you are in final semester, so you can apply it. That is how it is to be there. So no doubt friends, apply for this particular job. It's a wonderful job, and with this video there is a link of WhatsApp group. Please don't forget to join that link of WhatsApp group, because you are getting all the details, all the content, entire content, physics, mathematics, English, general aptitude, reasoning, everything. All mentors are in that particular WhatsApp group. That is a free WhatsApp group, though there is a charged module. But yeah, as you know, 30% of our content goes free on social media, our WhatsApp and our Telegram channels. So in case you are serious for this exam, you want to prepare for this exam, join Yourpedia. The module is ready. You can take it on 10th April. Live classes will start. Before that, please revise couple of topics which are there on the panel. Please do that and get the every instruction in the WhatsApp group. Join the WhatsApp group, first thing you should do, and then we'll get connected. Thank you, all the very best.